In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Adobe Express app. So if you've been receiving a lot of challenges with your app, maybe your app is too slow or your app keeps on crashing or it can't open at all, then let me show you how you can put an end to this and then get your app running without any problem. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take for you to be able to solve this problem. In the first method, you'll need to go ahead and access the app information page. And to do this, we are going to access the app settings page. So I'll go back and then look for settings. And then from here, go ahead and look for the option called apps. From apps, you'll get to this page. Look for this option called manage apps or all apps. So if you tap on it, this will go ahead and list all your apps that you have on your smartphone. So for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list, look for your app and you can see mine is here. Go ahead and tap on it. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search function on top here. So once you open your app, now you'll be able to see app info page is here, and this is where we shall do our first troubleshooting. However, if you can't access this page, maybe it is too complex for you, then let me show you a shortcut method you can use to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app, and once you find your app, just go ahead and long press on it and select the second option, app info. If you tap on it, it will again take you to the same app information page. Now under this, we want to clear the app data and more especially cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have quite a number of cache files. Now, when you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. The problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to solve this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then clear cache and then okay. Now, don't worry, this will not erase any information or any activity that you are performing on this app. From here, start your smartphone and then open it to see if your problem has been solved. In most cases, this should be able to solve all your challenges. However, if you still experience any problem, then you might want to go ahead and proceed further to clear all data by clicking on clear all data here. Then that will go ahead and clear all data. Now you can see user data is 0 and cache data is 0. Now, at this point, you'll have to go ahead and log in afresh, and then this should have solved your problem. However, should you still experience any other challenge, then you might want to go ahead and solve this problem using the third and the last method, and that is to access this app either through Google Play Store or App Store to find out if we have any update and then update it to the latest version. To do that, just go and click on Play Store and then search for your app. Then go ahead and check if we have an update. You'll see here, then update it to the latest version, and now this should be able to solve any problem that you had. You can start now using your app without any issue. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.